Hello everyone. So just received this package from the mail. So what I bought here is a hydrogen water bottle. So this is a China brand, and you can see it's I8. Okay. What we have here, this bottle is supposed to be able to separate out the oxygen from the and create hydrogen from the bottle itself. And apparently hydrogen water is supposed to be good for your health. So let's open it up and have a look. So this is the box, okay, and instructions in Chinese, okay. And then apparently they also provide you a tube for oxygen. So when the bottle actually starts to separate the oxygen from the water, you can actually use these tubes to breathe in the oxygen, or you can just put it into a water bottle, and then you can see the oxygen can come out from the water. Okay. Standard USB charging cable. And then I believe there's a cap here for the bottle itself. Okay, so let's have a look at the cap. So basically it's just a cap to cover the bottle that allows the tubes to go through. Okay, let's put this aside, and this is the bottle itself. Okay, so you can see this is the I8 bottle. Okay, the I8 bottle itself. So you can charge it, and then you can actually fill up the water, and okay, so it's 67 watts. Okay, 300 ml. So I'm gonna test it out and see how it works, and then I'll feed you guys again.